Hi, we are Equipe Asia and we are here to report about toilets. About 3.6 billion people, which is nearly half the world's population, lack toilets or use unsafe sanitation. Living without a toilet is more than an inconvenience. It is dangerous. Unsafe sanitation means contaminated water, soil, and food. Moreover, it causes illness and death. According to the latest estimates, diarrhea and other sanitation related diseases kill nearly 500,000 children under the age of 5 every year. As the world gets more crowded, the human toll of unsafe sanitation will only increase. The United Nations estimates that between now and 2050, the world's population will grow by 2 billion people. More than 90% of that growth will be concentrated in cities and in developing countries, places that are least likely to have good sanitation.
We can distribute it by cooperating with government officials, the commercial sector, and technologists to develop promising new toilet and waste treatment technologies, service delivery methods, and policies that have the most potential to transform sanitation standards and practices at the local and national levels. Investing alongside governments in our target geographies in the rapid adoption of securely managed citywide sanitation, particularly in underserved slums and informal settlements, because the burden of insufficient sanitation and hence the possibility for progress is highest in sub Saharan Africa and South Asia. We concentrate our efforts there.
Distribution of toilets for the sake of improving the hygienic circumstances of people living in struggling communities is a noble one and is a sure way of taking accountability for ethical and corporate social responsibility, since it is a notion founded on giving back to society. However, the base level of corporate social responsibility, which is economic responsibilities, according to Carroll's Pyramid of Corporate Social Responsibility, presents a troubling challenge for distributing such phenomenal toilets. As stated in the two given videos, in order to maintain a standard quality or provide enough tools to make or create accessibility for safely managed and sustainable sanitation to developing countries, one needs a lot of time and money. Numerous examples of these new toilets are costly and still need refining, much more if companies started to distribute them. With poverty levels rising each year, the need of a clean sewage disposal keeps increasing. Corporations must keep their target audience in mind by making sure to focus on locally available materials to cut costs and support small organizations, and at the same time be delicate in constructing a system that does not backfire and cause harm to people and their surrounding environment.
The difficulties faced by Canadian supply chain enterprises are getting worse. While managing the import and transportation of products has never been more difficult, every logistics manager's objective, regardless of the sector they work in, is to continue to be effective while cutting operating expenses. But achieving the objective depends largely on resolving six significant logistical problems that every Canadian logistics provider is now dealing with. First, being unexpected weather. Second, rules governing the environment. Third, world trade. Fourth, geography. Fifth, treaties and international money. And last, unexpected increase in fuel prices.
Overall, if we can distribute the toilets to the people in the African region and the South Asian region, where the countries are least developed and most of the people are facing poverty and people are dying with illness and there are many health issues. So if we can distribute this toilet to these countries, we can save people and lives.